Hey else, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you're new, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Today we are doing a DIY skincare routine. We're going to use our natural products that you can find in your kitchen, products that are easy accessible. As a beginner, you want to take care of your skin. As much as you put the mud on your skin, you still need to cleanse it. As much as you put makeup on skin, you need to make sure that you don't damage your skin, you don't damage your skin. Okay, let's get started, guys. So today we are going to do 3 skincare routine, which is we're gonna do a scrub, and we're gonna do mask, and we're gonna do steaming. So just to kick off with the first one, the scrub, we are going to use 3 ingredients, which are honey. Got this one from Discam, and we're going to use cinnamon. Then we're going to use brown sugar. Yes, brown sugar. Optional, you can use coffee as well, or lemon. So I'm going to use my small bowl just to like mix everything in here. I'm going to take 1 teaspoon. I'm just gonna keep it there, and half of the cinnamon, tablespoon. Then in honey, I'll just take then I will mix my 3 ingredients. Okay, done. So this is how you're going to do it. You're just going to apply it. You can use your fingers. Okay, now that it's on our face, you just have to use our fingers just to rub it in our skin. Just do this for like a minute. Looks so crazy. Then guys, you want to wash it off. Okay guys, I just washed my face and removed the scrub. Okay guys, our second task, which is a mask. Like, we're gonna use 2 ingredients, 3, let's say 3. We have egg. I've already got my white egg here. Then we're going to use turmeric powder. I got this one at Discam. And we're going to use tissue papers. I cut them into half. Alternatively, if you have the DIY mask, you can still use this one, but I know sometimes it's hard to find. Even with me, I got it like from this other shop and it was hard to find, so you can use this instead of your tissue. But if you have this, it's perfect, good to go. So I'm gonna use this bowl and the brush to like mix my mixture here. So I'll just take a little bit. Guys, if you are like me and like you can't deal with the smell of an egg, you can put essence oil in order to like make the smell like goodish, so to say. Otherwise, it's going to kill you. Then I'm going to take just tablespoon, just too much, a tablespoon of the turmeric powder, put it in here. Then I'll stir them together and mix. But I must say, the turmeric powder, the smell, it's so strong. It can persist the egg smell. So even with that, you can win. Okay, I have my mixture here. I'll just grab. See how? You must make sure that it's well and fully mixed. Okay, then I will use my brush to apply it. You can just take any, whether it's a makeup brush. This one it came with. In fact, I bought the whole set, the DIY mask and this, and it came with the brush as well. So this is what you want to do. Excuse me. Just apply it evenly on your skin. Okay, then you're going to take your tissue and just like put it here. Like 5 minutes, then we're going to remove it. Already here I can feel that it is dry, you know. All right guys, it's been 15 minutes having this. I can't even talk. The way it's so great, like I can't even talk. Okay, we're just gonna pull it out. Ooh, this feels so good. All right guys, the remaining I'm just gonna wash it off because they're not coming out. Okay guys, I just washed my face and we are ready for the third which is the last one, and it's my favorite, I should say. So in this one, the ingredients that you need is just one. It's boiling water. Okay, I just pour boiling water in here. It's a bucket and boiling water, or whatever dish that you're going to use in order to put the boiling water. Optional, you can have green tea. You can have green tea. I got this green tea in this small container, which I put it in the micro oven for like 5 minutes? I can't remember. Yeah, just to soak in the green tea. Yes, it's optional, guys. It's optional. So I'm just gonna then I will mix the boiling water with this one. Doesn't look happily. So with this one, guys, you just want to make sure that your hairline is secured. You don't want to play with with your hairline. Just make sure just make sure that your hairline is secured. You can use a hairband, you can use a duke, just to make sure that your hairline is very much secured. You don't want to play. Then with this one, you're just gonna steam your face like this. Ooh. Okay, guys, so when you're done steaming your face, you just want to make sure okay. Ooh, the skin feels so nice. My skin, it feels so soft and so nice a little bit. So guys, you want to do this preferable in the evening when you're about to go to bed, so that you take your time and you concentrate, let your pores like open, then you go to sleep, then tomorrow they're going to breathe. If it only makes sense. So when you're done with this whole process, you can do each activity like in a day. You don't have to do the whole 3 activities like all at once. You can just do one in a day. Like you can choose days like Monday, Wednesdays and Fridays, or you can go Tuesday, Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday. Choose that today I'm gonna do the scrub, then the following day you're going to do the masking, and maybe another day the steaming. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and thank you so much for tuning in.